Today we have a video from Top Cop, and the title of the video is College Student Arrested for DUI.
Hello.
Hi.
How's it going tonight?
Good, how are you?
Good. Reason I'm stopping, you're going the wrong way down White Street.
I know, I figured that out. I'm so sorry.
Okay. Do you have your license registration proof insurance? Where are you heading to tonight?
Back to our dorm.
Oh, okay. Where are you coming from?
I was DDing people, so I'm just taking.
You haven't had anything at all to drink?
I have not.
Okay.
Are you okay with my expired one?
What?
My expired.
Nah, she can't even talk, man. She can't even talk. Look at her eyes. You know, cheeks red. Eyes look red. No. You definitely been drinking.
Insurance.
Yeah, you can just take that piece of gum out for now, okay? Perfect.
My registration expired in September,
Oh,
I
okay.
believe.
So you're saying you haven't had a single drop of alcohol this fine evening?
I have not.
You have not had a single drop? I'll take that. Just hang tight, I'll be right back with you.
Yeah, I got you. Thank you.
Do you have a jacket or anything in your car?
I do not.
Okay. All right. I'll have you step out here for a second. So, what I want to do is I want to run you through what are called standardized field sobriety tests. We can either do it out here, or I can drive you a block.
We can just do it out here. It's okay.
You're not going to get too cold or anything like that?
No, I'm golden.
Okay. All right. We're going to walk right up there so we're not standing in the rain then. So, how old are you?
I'm a freshman in college. I'm 18.
Okay. All right. So you weren't in the bar or anything like that?
I just picked people up. I walked in for maybe 2 minutes to grab my group of people I was picking up, and that was it.
How'd you get in?
I told them I was DDing, and they let me in.
Really?
Yes.
And technically, that's illegal for them to be letting you in.
Yeah. I just told them I was DDing. I was going to sit outside, but the dude came out. He's like, what are you doing? I was like, I'm DDing for people, so they let me in. I found my group, and then we're gone.
Okay. And no drinks whatsoever?
No drinks.
Okay. Is there anything else in your mouth? When's the last time you smoked weed?
I don't even know. I usually don't do it.
Like hours, days?
Probably weeks.
Okay. So that's both your feet together, heels touching and toes touching, arms down at your side. Just remain in this position during the entire test.
Right.
You understand?
Yep.
All right. Sure you're not moving your head.
Damn, 18 years old, smoking weed, drinking. You know, college is a wild experience. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's definitely a wild experience. Man, me personally, I'm a college dropout, man. I went there for a year. Man, it was the best $5,000 I ever spent, man. I ain't gonna lie. It was, I went to a community college, man, for 1 year, man, 2 semesters, bro. That joint was off the chain, man. That joint was off the chain. Like, I can only imagine if I stayed longer. Like, and then the other thing was that, like, I was out of college, right? But my friends were still in college. So, cause personally, I went there just, it wasn't serious for me, you know, cause I already had my job lined up. I was just waiting to turn 21. So I took the correction officer's exam at 18 years old. So, and already passed and did everything. Like, all I had to do was wait until I turned 21 in order to accept the job. So when I went to college, I was just partying. Like, every day, it was really like that. Like, it was insane. It was insane, man. And, you know, some of my closest friends is people that I met in college, you know. It's a crazy experience. But anyway, like back like I was saying, this chick here, man, 18 years old, smoking and drinking. Damn. That's crazy. Cause I was a DD in college as well. Cause I didn't really start drinking like that until like I was like 22, maybe a year after I got in corrections. Like, you know, of course I've had drinks here and there, but I mean, like, you know, drinking, like going out every weekend, you know, all of that type of stuff. I was maybe around 22 or so, but damn, 18. Woo.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And do I just turn or chocolate?
Yep, turn as I instructed.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Alright, you can turn around normal and face me. Our next test is called a one-leg stand. You think you'll be able to stand on one foot for a short period of time?
I have really bad balance, but yeah.
Alright.
1001, 1002.
A little bit higher?
Nah, and you guys are on a hill. Come on. This I don't think this one will count in court. Hold up. You guys are on a hill trying to do this. Nah.
1003,
Look at your toe.
1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, 1011, 1012, 1013, 1014, 1015, 1016, 1017, 1018, 2019, 1020, 1021, 1022, 1023, 1024, 1025.
Alright, you can stop.
Yeah,
You spell Mississippi for me?
MISSISIPPI.
Alright, and then you'd be able to count from 1 to 100 if I asked you to?
Yep.
You start the number 54, 54, count to number 68, 68. So 54 to 68, just those numbers.
54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69.
Alright.
I went one over.
So our last test of the PBT, this is the battery operative device, test of the presence of alcohol, okay?
I had some in my dorm, but I never had it.
Okay. So there shouldn't be any on your breath then?
There might be a little bit.
Okay.
Now you
Did it
being
smell
honest.
all the night?
At my dorm, yes.
Okay. For this, all you have to do is seal your lips around the clear plastic tube as long as they exhale like you're blowing up a balloon. I'll let you know when to stop. Alright, you can stop.
Alcohol on campus grounds.
Are your friends, are they pretty drunk?
I believe so.
Okay. So, you are being placed under arrest for OWI, okay?
Do I get anything out of my car?
We can grab anything you'd like out of there. What do you want?
Can I grab my phone?
Yeah, we can grab it, you can't.
Okay.
Alright.
If I get a sober driver, am I able to go, or do you want me to stay overnight?
Well, I gotta talk to my boss about that.
Okay.
You don't have anything in pockets, right? You
Nope.
took your money out, nothing tucked into your bra, anything like that,
Nope.
correct? Okay.
You can feel if you need to, but I don't have anything.
Alright, we're just gonna have a female search you as soon as we get down
Yeah,
there.
no, that's okay.
Let them know.
Alright, you can step up. Comes up here a second. Alright, this way. And then we're gonna walk right towards that silver bench, and I'll just have you face this wall, and then she's just gonna do a search of you quick.
Female officer. That could be her mom, man.
I'm gonna take the handcuffs off you because we got a little bit of up and down. Here, you're gonna stay cooperative with me, alright? Alright, so we got a little bit of paperwork we gotta get through here. Step right up over here. I'll give you that to hold for now. So what you're gonna do, seal your lips around the skinny part of that alongside exhale like you're blowing up a balloon. This machine's gonna be making a buzzing sound. If it's doing that, that means you're giving a good breath.
Okay.
If at any point in time you hear that stop, that means you have to restart your whole breath.
Okay.
Because either the seal got broke, you sucked in a little bit, something like that. All right? Any questions?
Nope.
Good. All right, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. You're halfway done. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Just about done. Keep going, keep going.
God damn.
So you have to stay here till you're sober.
I have to stay until I'm sober?
Yeah. I guess unless
Stay
it's
calling?
yeah.
Here, I'll put it on speaker.
You can just talk to him.
Hey. So I'm at the police station in Dubuque because I have a OWI. I mean, they said it's not the most important thing in the world, but my car is double parked. But I have to stay here until I'm sober. I was at a .14.
And they say most people metabolize alcohol at a 0.02 an hour. So you're looking at about 7 hours. Any questions, comments, concerns about tonight? All right, so pretty much our next step is I'm gonna bring you up to the jail floor. They're gonna do your mugshot, your fingerprints, and then Give you a place to sleep it off. So is this completely fake, or is this a real ID that you just have?
It's completely fake. It was hers that she gets in college.
All right, just have to put you back in handcuffs for a walk upstairs.
Hey, and you got a fake on you?
First time ever in jail.
Yup.
And last, right?
Hopefully, yeah.
All right.
Never doing this again.
Ubers are cheap. That's what I tell people.
Yeah, I know. The dude I called, he was supposed to pick me up, but I called him like 5 times, never answered.
Oh, okay.
Come on now. Ubers are not cheap for college kids, man. College kids are broke. Don't got no money, man. They're all chipping in all their little bit of money to get a little $20 bottle that they can all split.
Then we're gonna go through this door to the left.
Okay.
What an experience. Yeah. What an experience, man. Hopefully she never does that again, man. You know, it's a learning lesson. It's not too bad. Sitting there for a couple of hours. You'll be on your way. Crazy, man. College is wild. Oof. Let me get off here before I start reminiscing again. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.